Hello viewer, if you face Google Messages transfer problem, let's see how to fix Google Message transfer issue. Step 1. Open your Google Message app. Now click on profile icon. Now scroll down. Click on Google Message setting. Now click on RCS chat. Now turn off your RCS chat from both phone. Now go to your phone setting. Scroll down, find out app section. Go to apps. Now search Google Message app. Go to Google Message app. Scroll down. Click on storage. Now from the lower corner, clear cache data and also clear all data from Google Message app. Clear data does not delete your messages. It only restart the message app. Now restart the transfer. Open Smart Switch on the both device and select only messages to speed things up. Once the message appear on your new phone, you can turn RCS back on in the setting.